The first book I have is called Clouds. This is by Jenny Fretland Van Voorst. And this is also a nonfiction book because it's real pictures and real information about each thing. So clouds. Look up. Look up. What do you see? Clouds. You made a cloud for letter C, didn't you? Clouds are made of water vapor. Some are fat and puffy, and some are thin and stringy. Clouds tell us the weather. Will it rain? Will it snow? Look up. Some clouds are puffy. They look like cotton balls. What do they mean? The weather will be dry. Leah does not need her boots. So puffy clouds means no rain. Big, dark clouds are full of moisture. Heavy droplets fall to the ground. So when you see dark clouds, that usually means it's going to rain. It's raining. Ben grabs an umbrella. Do you have an umbrella or a raincoat or rain boots? Today is very cold. Look up. The clouds are low and heavy. Snow may fall later. Meg grabs her coat. Oops. Look, the clouds are piled up. That means a storm is coming. Jeb plays inside today. Oh, look, they're all on top of each other. Oh, I didn't know that. What will the weather be like where you are? Look up. So you can look up in the sky and see what the clouds are going to be like. All right, the next book is about rain. We listened to the story about the little raindrop. So we're going to hear a nonfiction book. That means that it's true with real pictures by Jenny Fretland Van Voorst. Rain. Let it rain. Look up. What do you see? Clouds. That's like the book we just read. How do clouds form? Water vapor rises. It sticks to dust in the air. The vapor builds up. It becomes droplets. The droplets grow heavy. They fall to the ground. Look, it's raining. Small drops fall lightly. A light rain is called a drizzle. Large raindrops fall hard. They make a shower. We need rain. Rain feeds plants. Plants need water to grow. People and animals need water to live. Do you drink water every day? Miss H does. Rain can be fun. Mari jumps in a puddle. Do you like to jump in puddles? That can be fun. It can be comforting. Listen. The sound helps Ty fall asleep. Good night, Rain. The end.